Did you know the humble toothbrush is home to a staggering 1 trillion microorganisms? This astonishing number is often overlooked, but it's a crucial aspect of oral hygiene. Our mouths contain an incredible array of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. While some of these microorganisms are harmless, others can cause serious health issues. The toothbrush, being a breeding ground for these microorganisms, plays a pivotal role in maintaining good oral health. So, what makes the toothbrush such an ideal habitat for microorganisms? One reason is the unique combination of moisture, warmth, and nutrients found on the toothbrush. This creates an ideal environment for microorganisms to thrive and multiply rapidly. But that's not the strangest part. The toothbrush can also harbor microorganisms that are resistant to antibiotics. This phenomenon occurs when microorganisms develop resistance to antibiotics, making them more difficult to treat. This has significant implications for public health, as antibiotic-resistant bacteria can spread quickly. The toothbrush, being a common item used by millions worldwide, can inadvertently spread these resistant bacteria. To understand this process better, let's take a closer look at the toothbrush's structure and how it interacts with microorganisms. The toothbrush's bristles, for instance, provide a unique surface for microorganisms to attach and grow. The bristles also create microgrooves and crevices that can trap microorganisms, allowing them to multiply. But the toothbrush's handle, often overlooked, is also a critical component in the spread of microorganisms. The handle can harbor microorganisms, which can then be transferred to the mouth through contact or improper cleaning. This highlights the importance of proper toothbrush hygiene, including regular cleaning and replacement. So, what can we do to prevent the spread of microorganisms on our toothbrushes? One simple solution is to rinse the toothbrush thoroughly after each use and allow it to air dry. Another approach is to store the toothbrush in a well-ventilated area, away from other personal care items. By taking these precautions, we can significantly reduce the risk of microorganisms spreading on our toothbrushes. The toothbrush, while a seemingly mundane item, holds significant importance in our daily lives. Its ability to harbor microorganisms highlights the delicate balance between our oral health and the environment. By understanding this complex relationship, we can work towards maintaining good oral health and preventing the spread of diseases. In conclusion, the toothbrush is more than just a simple cleaning tool. It's a complex ecosystem that requires proper care and attention to maintain good oral health. So, the next time you reach for your toothbrush, remember the staggering 1 trillion microorganisms it harbors. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.